got some new Ryobi deals. Big shout out to Chris Bruce, Pre-Runner Daily at the Deal Team 6. You guys know them. Deal Team 6 are really hard on these deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so, guys. Some new Ryobi deals as they posted this these pictures, and I try to search them here at the ryobitools.com. I'll leave you guys the link to all these pages and the depot pages too. So we got this first one here. Well, excuse me, I can't make it bigger. I'll see if I can make it bigger on the editing. You got this was the first deal. It says get this. Looks like two amp hour batteries with the newer ones with the fuel gauge. You got the newer charger here, and it says select the power tool for $119. This is a great deal, guys. You're getting two batteries, a charger, and you get to select from any of these. Like I said, I wish I yeah, so it looks like the sander, and looks like the, I don't know if that's like the soldering tool. You got the radio, you got the caulk gun there, you got the fan, you got the sander, polisher, the light. This is the newer light. You got the oscillating tool, the ratchet, the light. This I have this light here, so that's a really nice light. You got the router. You got, looks like a drywall cut tool. I have no idea what these are. More soldering irons, I guess. A rotary tool. Alright, so you got all those for $119 with these two batteries and the charger. Alright, so it gets a little better here. You got some better tools on this promo here. So it says get this, the two 4 amp hour batteries, a charger, and you get to select the power tool for $149. So this is the, looks like the vacuum, and then this is the new light, actually the newer light that they had, the new rocket light. You got the jigsaw. I have no idea what that is. It's too small. It looks like an impact driver or impact wrench, something like that. Vacuum, like a briefcase vacuum. You got a angle grinder, reciprocating saw, Bluetooth speaker. A lot of these I don't know what they are, and a circular saw. So yeah, so those are $149. You're getting two bigger batteries. I'm gonna go ahead and click on it. Like I said, I'm gonna actually, I already have it up here. So this is the light. This is the currently, this is another deal. Somehow I don't know, they're overlapping or what's going on with this, but I'll leave you guys a link to this one too. So this was the One Plus hybrid tripod, the rocket light basically for Ryobi. It's $129, but if you go here to the item, the free item section, you get to select the free item. So you go add both to cart, and you're gonna see. So I'll just put it out. Alright, so you're going to get this light for $76. That's a really good deal. This kit for $52. Not the lowest we've seen, but still it's pretty good. But yeah, $76 on this light. That's a killer deal on that one. Alright, so I'll leave you guys a link down on the description section for that one. This is the one I was trying to look for. So I'll leave you guys the link for the Home Depot section of this part. So this is the... You got the vacuum here with the two batteries, so $149. So $149 is gonna be your price, basically. You just get to select the different tool. This is an impact wrench, by the way. I don't know if I said impact driver last time we saw it. This is an impact wrench. It says right here, it's 3-speed, 1/2 inch impact wrench, $149. You got the briefcase vacuum here. It says 3-gallon project wet and dry vacuum, $149. With two batteries and charger. And this is the miter saw, 7 1/4 compound miter saw kit with the 4 amp hour 2-pack starter kit. So $199 on this one. This one's going to be a little bit more expensive. Still pretty good deal. I'm going to check this one out. This one's the angle grinder. 4.5 angle grinder. I believe this is not the brushless. You got, this is the charger called multi-material plunge saw. So $149 for this one. And this is the, what is this? The shears. Yeah, offset shears, 18 gauge. $149, and then you got the Bluetooth speaker, $149. It looks like that's it for this one. Yeah, that's it for this one. If you guys missed on the video I just did, basically we had some BOGO deals, like some hacks with some crazy. I'll see if I can link it up above for you guys, so you guys will look at the other deals They're currently going on right now. I don't know if these are gonna be like hackable. If this is gonna be, you know, come in separately where you can buy one, keep the other, return the other, whatnot. But for now, this is what we got. I can try put. I tried already finding these batteries by themselves, and I could not find them. Yeah, they're not even here. So, yeah. So I just want to share this with you guys. These deals that are coming up. I don't know, like I said, if they're going to be hackable or not. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.